Hey guys, for today's video, I'll teach you how to add or deposit money on Revolut. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to put money into your account. Let's get started by opening Revolut. And if you've done that, you're gonna appear on this screen right here. So basically, all you have to do is tap on add money, and then now it's gonna ask for the currency, how much money, and the bank that you want to take money from, and then add it to your Revolut account. So basically, as you can see, it says GBP, that's British pounds, and then here is the value, and here is the bank. So you can tap on change if you want to change it. If not, just tap on add money securely, and then that will easily add the money into your Revolut account. And it's very simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.